Hello friends, we need to do some setting in MT4 for training purpose. Okay, so I will let you know how to do that. Okay, so I am starting my MT4 application and now I will open the chart. Okay, so I am opening it for crude oil. Okay, and this app sign will allow you to add some technical indicator over there. So I will let you know how to do that. Okay, so first I will uh, let you know how to set moving average on it. So I will click on app plus sign in front of man chart. Okay, so clicked, then moving average. Okay, and after that select a period of 20, shift 0, method exponential. Okay, apply it to close, style 1 pixel and change color to red. Okay, if you will click on red symbol, then you will find many colors, then you need to choose red. Okay, and we'll done. Okay, and go again on F sign man chart and on F plus sign and moving average, and this time we'll change it to 10. Period will change to 10. Method will be same, apply it to close and style 1 pixel. When we are choosing 10, we need to change color to 10, sorry, green. Okay, then done it. Okay, I have already saved it, so I will not change it again. Okay, I have to another moving average for some other purpose. I will let you know how to use that. Okay, then again go on app plus, then go on click on app plus in front of indicator window 1. Okay, now go on oscillators and stochastics oscillator. Okay, then period will be 5. Okay, percent k period 5, percent d period 3, showing 3, price low oblique high, method simple. Okay, and man 3 pixel and main will be green and signal will be red, and you need to change the level. Okay, 15 and 85 you can change it by clicking on pencil sign. Okay, you can change 15 and 85. You will see over here, you will see 20 and here 80, so you can change it. Okay, and after that done it, so that setting will be saved. Okay, and after that again click on app plus sign in front of indicator window. Okay, clicked, then again go on oscillators and you will find a relative strength index RSI. Click on it. Okay, period will be 14 and style will be blue. Okay, color will be blue and style will be 3 pixels. Okay, and label you need to change again. Okay, you will find here 30 and 8, 30 and 70, so you need to change it to 75 25. Okay, so these setting have been saved by you. Okay, so now we'll do it some training on this. Okay.